Here is a summary of features of the amazing WP Sticky Note plugin. Please note that some features are only available in a type of version. 1. Your site visitors can make notes and make comments at any place on the post or page. 2. Users can even comment inside a table. 3. Notes or comments are visible only if the admin approves it. 4. Admin can reply to a comment from within the admin page itself. 5. Other users can comment within the same note widget that was started by someone else. 6. When a user creates a note on another comment, the original commentator gets a notification by mail. 7. Admin can allow private notes, not visible to even the admin of the site. However, user making private note will have a record of it in his profile page. 8. The admin can control the number of words allowed to be written in a note. 9. Users' names with profile avatar appear in the note for better identification. 10. The comments including the private note are saved in a table. Users can visit the table from the front end widget. 11. Admin can allow or disallow visibility of notes by a non-logged visitor to the site. 12. The LMS version of WP Sticky Note allows teachers or instructors to reply to comments by students. So, this plugin can be used as a tool to solve doubts of students by online course creators. 13. If you install a multi-author version of WP Sticky Note, then admin can delegate power to reply comments to article writers. 14. Users can like or dislike a note or a comment. 15. Admin can allow rich text editors for notes or comments. Users can use video and image inside the note.